prevents hair loss, fights dandruff, controls scalp inflammation, adds shine and soft texture, prevents premature gray hair. Fenugreek hair conditioner. Beautiful and healthy hair is a desire shared by many. While there are numerous hair care products available, natural remedies can often be equally effective, gentler on your hair. One such remedy that has gained popularity is fenugreek seed. Now we discuss top 5 hair benefits of fenugreek seed. Number 1. Prevents hair loss. Fenugreek contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient that conditions and moisturizes your scalp and hair deeply. Also, it makes your hair stronger from the roots by providing rich nourishment. Thus, it controls hair shedding efficiently. Number 2. Fights dandruff. The natural saponins present in fenugreek have rich antifungal and antibacterial properties that keep the microbial infections on your scalp at bay. Thus, fenugreek helps in combating dandruff and itching by controlling the infection-causing bacteria and yeast on your scalp. Number 3. Controls scalp inflammation. Fenugreek has rich anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation and pain in your hair roots. Also, it contains natural antioxidants that help in fighting off the oxidative stress caused by free radicals in your hair follicle cells. Thus, fenugreek helps in strengthening hair roots and boosts stronger hair growth. Number 4. Adds shine and soft texture. Fenugreek contains mucilaginous fiber that absorbs moisture tremendously. Thus, fenugreek helps in maintaining the moisture barrier in your hair strands, in turn improving the shine and imparting softer texture. Number 5. Prevents premature gray hair. The rich content of iron and potassium present in fenugreek helps you deal with premature graying problems efficiently. Fenugreek balances the deficit of minerals required for sufficient melanin production in your hair follicles, which gives the dark color to your hair naturally. Fenugreek hair conditioner. Soak 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds overnight and grind them into a fine paste. Add 1 egg yolk and 1 spoon of fresh yogurt into it. Mix well and apply the paste as a deep conditioning mask twice or thrice a week. You can also add a spoon of fenugreek paste into a cup of coconut milk and apply it thoroughly to your scalp and hair. Cover your hair with a warm towel for half an hour and then wash it off. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the icon so these informational videos to reach you.